Hello everyone, welcome to page Benti Minjai Rice. I am Sairong. Today we will move to learn lesson 9 about Abraham part 1. In this video we will learn 3 words together. First, friend. Friend. Spell F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Example, my friend is so friendly. My friend is so friendly. Second, wife. Wife. Spell W-I-F-E. Wife. Example, his wife is so beautiful. His wife is so beautiful. Third, move. Move. Spell M-O-V-E. Move. Example, I moved to my new house. I moved to my new house. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 3 words that we've learned and leave it in a comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give thumb up. If not, we will have correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.